What's the meaning of boozy? Boozy. Boozy.
Boozy. Boozy. The term boozy refers to a state that is brought on by the consumption of alcohol. A person who is described as being boozy may be experiencing symptoms such as feeling lightheaded, unsteady on their feet, and may have slurred speech. They may also appear to be more relaxed or carefree than they normally would be. However, it's important to note that excessive alcohol consumption can lead to negative consequences such as impaired judgment and coordination, increased risk of accidents or injuries, and long-term health problems. It's always best to drink in moderation and make sure to prioritize personal safety and well-being.